Okay. How's everybody doing? I made a boo-boo. I forgot to just finish work. It was like definitely one more task I needed to do before I logged off. Yeah, how's it going? Foil! Welcome in, Ameriponyo Kaso. Virtue, how's it going? Pacifist. Hello, Boot Hat. How are you? Kessler, thanks for passing along that message. Yag, what is up? Cthulhu, good evening to you as well. Snyder Girl, first time chat. Welcome in, and thank you for passing along the message from the fake, not fake game dev. If he's fake, then I'm fake. Then we're all fake. The left-leaning communist non-binary time goers are on a mission to spread propaganda. Sounds right. Why don't you do it? I was very busy. It's very busy, but I finished. Okay. Excuse me. Hello there, funny bald man. You think I'm bald? I mean, you think I'm funny? I don't know why, but I'm going to keep working on roofs today. It's just kind of fun, and it's not done yet. I forget where I left off. I had the math in my head. It's really annoying, stupid math. But it's looking a lot better. Like, the roof itself, it's prettier. Now I've got these little notches. I've got a frame here. I made it so that there's not like a giant gap. It's definitely much nicer. But the only thing that's not working is this back corner. For some reason, this back corner doesn't work. I do not understand. The width amount is 10, and the tile side is 9. And I'm subtracting 1 minus width. So why doesn't it work? Tile side, width amount. So here, tile side 9, width amount is 10. Yep. If I flip it, tile side 9, width amount 10. So in the code, I go tile side. Oh, wait. If tile side is... Wait, that's the problem. I think I need to check for 0. If wall side is 0... Is that true? Is that a true statement? I don't think so. Maybe if tile side is 0. What is it? I think it's tile side 0. Maybe? I don't know. I finally kind of finished a thing again. Which one? The BSP importer. Probably going to be a week before it gets further, but I'm not unhappy with it. That's good. Right, yeah. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. All right, let me actually get rid of that. So I do care if it's rotated. Well, maybe I need the depth. Maybe it's depth. Maybe it's tile depth -1, and then... I need my chart again. So I'm looking for this. Wall side equals this. So tile side is 0 and wall side equals max. Oh, tile side equals 0 and Wall side equals depth minus 1. Is that it? Oh my god, if this is it. It's gotten to the point where you know what I'm working on just by the sheer amount of blue sky posts. Nice. Booyah, I have an interview tomorrow with a big company and I'm shaking in my metaphorical virtual boots. You're gonna be fine. Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, and as long as, you know, if you're qualified for the job, you'll be fine. There we go. That worked. That worked. Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay. So, everything works. Now, what I noticed yesterday is my pooling doesn't work. Like, it gets really laggy because it's constantly making new pieces. So if I go to this focus object and I go to pieces, look at how many things it spawned and look at how many of them are hidden. It's because it's not pooling them correctly. So I think I need to make a special object that when it spawns, or a special script that's like special pool object. When it spawns, it caches its pool parent, and when it despawns, it goes back to the pool. So I need to do something like that. So maybe I already have something like that. Let's see. Pool, object pool, poolable. What's a poolable? Poolable. Poolable. Scriptable. Pool container. On disable, return. Who made this? Did I make this? Add component menu? Why? Did I make this? Does anybody use this? Set container. Scriptable pool container. Does anybody use this script? It looks like the pool container creates... Ooh, it creates this and puts it on the object. How about that? Looks like anything that's pooled gets this component. Yo, Bin. Bad manners. How's it going? Yeah, Ghibli Music Day. This doesn't do it justice, but it shows. So this is from Quake? Look at that pitch. I can speak British too. Very nice. Did it. Looks like it works. Textures, everything's attached. It's from one of Jitspo's Quake 2 mods. Nice. Excuse me. All right, if I make a roof, does everything have poolable on it? Let's see. It does. Okay, cool. So I can send it back to the pool. Wait, it should go back to the pool. Why doesn't it? Debug. Poolable. Look at that. So if this hides, disable. I disabled it, but it didn't move. Undisable return. Oh. So it is actually being returned properly. Let's see. Let's see if we can figure it out. Maybe it is getting pooled properly, but they're not getting cleaned up or reused. So roof, wood, tile up. Tile down. Roof, wood, tile down. Pool. This is empty. Why is it empty? Huh? Where are all the pools? Uh-oh. Is it a system? Is it a manager? Pool. Here's all the pools, and then runtime. How do these pools work? How do they work? Spawn system? Scriptable pool container. Scriptable object. I leveraged stuff from his importer and added the Quake 2 stuff. I said it might take a week to go further since he's going on vacation for Thanksgiving, and maybe when he gets back, will be a part of his importer tool. That's cool. Malachi man, good evening. How are ya? Apparently Yag had some interest in it for one of their games when I talked to Aaron about it, so maybe I'm a godsend. Ooh, maybe. Maybe. プールを使ったことがありますか？はい。ことがあります。or 疲れました。でも、忘れます。忘れます。忘れます。忘れます。忘れます。忘れます。The format of responses to those. はい。使ってことがあります。Or just あります。So exist. Got it. Where are all of these pools? Maybe it's in my spawn system. Spawn system. Pools. There it is. Pools. I have 4 pages of pools. And the scriptable objects have the references. Ew. That's kind of gross. Active and inactive objects. Type mismatch. So the wood roof down. Type mismatch. So what if I hide? If I hide this, what was that? Let's start over. This is only one. I'm going to go back to the left-leaning time communist now. Anything I should tell them on your behalf? Nah. Nah, you don't have to say anything. You can say I said hi back. Missed a bunch of streams recently. How's it all going? It's going all right. I'm trying to like shift my focus a little bit so I can get a new trailer. I want a new trailer. So I'm just doing a round of like beautification to some of the ugly stuff. All right, so this roof, right, is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles, right? And they're all visible. If I go back to the game and I make a new one and I say, let's actually not use that. That means it's been returned. It looks like it's been destroyed actually, which is interesting. Yeah, it looks like it's been destroyed. So wood roof wood tile down pool. Tile down pool. It's got 4 active and 4 inactive, but they're missing. Interesting. If they're missing, what does that mean? It looks like it got cleaned up instantly. Now there's that. Okay, so it is pooling them properly. Although, look at that. It made so many, and then... Yeah, so if you add these up together, it should always equal the same. So 35 plus 5 is 40. It should always equal 40. 34 plus 6, 32 plus 8 should always equal 40. Until I accidentally make it a little too big, right? Okay, yeah. It gets very laggy when you make giant roofs. But it is pooling them. Hmm. All right, let's see what it looks like on a building. The next part of this now, which is the hard part, is I have to despawn the pieces that I don't need. It was based on when you said Aaron is a cringe fake dev who can't lift an orange. I never said that. I'm sure he can lift at least 7 oranges. All right, so now let's put some roofing on. See what it looks like. So obviously I need to get rid of the ones that overlap, right? Or do I? Do I? Do I need to? What do you think? Also, should I add posts here? Should I add a long post? I mean, there's posts here. It makes sense to add posts. Also, why do these look so different? They have the same material. Seven oranges. I can't even count that high. It's almost 100. It is almost 100. Yeah, this looks stupid to just have the posts like that. So maybe I actually put them on the walls. Maybe the wall itself has the post. That actually makes the most sense. Hmm. Hmm. A normal map and object. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do? Errand. Errand. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim. Errand. How are you? Ghibli Magic. Hello. I'm listening to your music. Slur, welcome back. You are a liar and a thief. Ani, it is not my birthday. Do not spread those lies. Everyone's all about spreading lies today. What's going on? Hi, Rocket League. How is the rest of your stream, Errand? Shout out to Errand. It's Ani's birthday, isn't it? No, it is never. Ani lost birthday privileges by claiming it was their birthday every day. Yeah, you're done with birthdays. It's over. It's over for you. Welcome in, everybody. It was really good. There was that internet outage, but I needed a break anyway. I must have been out to lunch during the internet outage. I missed it. I never claimed it. I don't know. Okay, but have you considered Rocket League? No, I haven't. I just started 30 minutes ago. I don't need a break. Also, this is going to be a shorter than usual stream because I started later than intended. I'm trying to figure out like how to make my buildings look better. And the more decorations I add, the more problems it causes. Someone redeemed it? No. Oh, you did? When? When did you do that? Play Rocket League. All right. Let me turn the PC on. I don't get alerts anymore. Wait, what's going on here? Why don't I get alerts anymore? What if I hit replay? Report? No, don't report. Can I replay that redeem? Will it make a noise? I don't know. That works. All right, hang tight. Hang tight. Really? I forgot my password to Parsec. Oh God, what have I done? Oh, I forgot my password. I forgot my Parsec password. Oh, how annoying. Where's forgot password button? Oh God. Anyway, this is what I've been working on. So you build it in, right? Let's boom, you got it in. Now I'm trying to make these roofs look pretty. So I added all these overhangs, but the overhangs obviously uh what's it called? Intersect with each other. So I got to fix that. Hang in there. Resetting my password. Set new password? Authenticator app. Oh God. Finally. How convenient. Yeah, that was not convenient. Well, now I have to wait for the thing to show up, right? Why isn't it showing up? Show up. Pretty much as soon as I got here. Yeah, I didn't see that. It's so weird. Twitch is messing with stuff behind the scenes, probably. No one who wasn't at my party this year is going to believe when my real birthday shows up. No, never. All right. It still didn't show up. Oh, I need to log. Oh, because when I changed my password, it logged out of Parsec on this machine. Are we done now? Are we there yet? Reload. There we go. Oh my god. That was horrible. That 5 minutes was supposed to be the break. All right, we're just gonna go quick. For those of you that are confused, we do one round, just one. Hopefully we can find a match quickly. Yo, Fresh. Freshy, how are ya? Have we made the joke about a MOBA with cars? That doesn't sound like a joke. That sounds like a fantastic game that I'd play. What do you mean, joke? That's amazing. I want that. Oh, Rocket League of Legends. Oh, the joke was the name. Sounds like a beautiful game to me. I don't know. I might have to just play the computer. There's nobody online. We'll do training until custom training. I can't do this. Oh, we found one finally. Is my cottage ready? No. You've never played? Ah, it's the best. Oh god, what am I doing? That's not good. That's not good. Oh no. This is so embarrassing. It feels like this is the first time I've played ever. Oh, why did I do that? Oh my god. Oh my god. So bad. So bad. I basically fumbled it in. All right, all right, all right. We're back. We're back a little bit. Ah, too late. Go. No. Is it free? Yeah, it's Rocket League Freshie. It's been out since 2016 or 15. I can't believe I just missed that. Oh my god, I'm very lucky. Very lucky. And a forfeit. I feel like every single one has been a forfeit. What up, Emil? All right. I'm just going to shut the computer down. It just makes too much noise. Shut it down. I know what you're thinking. Just make your fans not make so much noise. I don't know how to do that. All right. Thank you, Aaron, for that quick break. So where were we? Back from the dead. I have a really bad cold. Barely survived. Oh, dang, Emil. Sorry. All right, so poolable. The thing with this is the corners, And the trim, I need it to come back. I need it to come to despawn and come back. So I wonder how I should do this. I feel like I need to do a lot of collisions to check if I can spawn something there. As a man and 40 years old, it's rough. Yeah. 40-year-old men like me. I'm not 40 yet, but I'm close. When we get colds, it's death. It's death. That's how the meme is, right? All right, so I want a way to either explicitly. Maybe I just respawn it. Maybe I just recalculate the whole roof. Maybe that's what I do. All right. First things first. I want to check the roof for other roofs. So if I hit another roof, I basically want to despawn the corner there. And how big is the collision when I make a roof? It's even worse at 45. No. I'm going to head out. Got that interview tomorrow. See you later. Foil, good luck on that interview. Seriously. All right, so when I put two roofs next to each other, I just want to despawn this stuff. Like, this should just go away. It should do this. And end all this, right? This needs to go away. So how big is a roof collider? Here's the focus object. And if I turn on gizmos, I believe this inner one is the roof collider, and the outer one's the roof collider, and the inner one is the blocker, so you can't decorate there. So I basically want to check to see if I'm inside another roof, right? I want to check. Each roof piece needs to check if it collides with another roof. If I put two next to each other, they don't come close. So these won't despawn them. But these will, right? Of course. So these two would cancel each other out. But, oh, that's tough. So actually, I wouldn't want to spawn this one, right? I wouldn't want to hide that one. I'd only want to hide the side trim. But there are instances where I'd want to hide the front trim too. I guess the piece has to be on its level. So like this piece, this trim should only look for roofing down here. And then this one should only look for roofing up here. All right, I think I know what I need to do. I think I need to grab its position and make a very thin sliver of a collider. So roof, let's see, roof trim. So all these pieces, right? All these pieces need a very thin sliver. Oh, I need to fix that too. They all need a box collider. That thing is so annoying. How do I get rid of that? .05, .02. And what if its center is at 0? Is that okay? This should be 0, 1. And then this should just be the bounds. Okay. So we'll start with just the down and the up. So the up trim, no, not, yeah. Down trim and then up trim. And if I can get it working on these, then it should just work on everything. Zero, 0.01, 0, 1. I need a new script that is a mono behavior script, right? Yeah. A roof piece, roof trim piece. And can two colliders intersect when neither of them have a rigid body? I don't think so. I think one of them needs a rigid body. But can I use that box collider to throw a... Yeah, let's just use the box collider to throw our own collide. So public void check for collisions, and then Zogue, how's it going? Thank you for the hydrate. Don't say that I'm 41 soon. You will look back at your 30s with fondness. Yeah, I'm already doing that. And I want to do this on awake, right? Or on start. Or start. Check for collisions. Once this thing wakes up. No, actually, I need to call it because I got to move it before I check for collisions. So it'll be explicit. And I might want a reference to the roof. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. So check for collisions needs to do a wall post? No. Wall. I just did it with wall. box this. This is fine. So I want to check for other roofs. Overlap. And I want to use the 2D, the box collider that's already on us. Can I do that? Box collider. If box collider equals null, get component. Hellhound, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are ya? We need to increase the elevation of Alpine Lake now. What are we at? 1480. For every follow, we increase the... Oh, I missed a few. Wait, what? Does that say 80? Oh, no, it says 90. 1490. Every follow gets an increase to the elevation of the town in game. Ghibli, have a good night. Now that Ghibli's gone, we can listen to Stardew and chill. Yo, Mr. Zombie, how are you? Matt, am I having a successful day? It's okay. It's okay. There was a lot of daytime, a lot of day job to be done. So this is the position, right? And the position is the center of the box collider. So box collider.center plus transform.position. I'm pretty sure that's how you get the center. This is in local space, right? An object local space. Okay. And then to get this half width, or the half extends, box collider dot, I'm pretty sure there's no half extends. Yeah. So it's like new vector 3 box collider dot size dot x box collider dot size dot y box collider dot size dot z. Pretty sure that will match the exact size of the collider. And then I'm checking for roof. All right, so for now, if other roof does not equal null, print found other roof, and then, I don't know, destroy game object. Destroy us. I need to see if that roof is us. That's the problem too. I need to make sure it's not our roof. So, so before I do this, I need to like roof equals transform.parent dot get component. It's two parents up. Roof. If other roof is not null and other roof does not equal roof. Found other roof. Hi, quick, do something funny. No, ever. You already played Rocket League, you missed it, yeah. He's not funny at that. What a fucked up thing to say. There's some serious about page updating to do. Oh, what do I got? What's wrong with it? Because there's a PC involved? Computer or Unity. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. I'll do it later. I'll do it tomorrow. Round 2 of roof shenanigans. Yeah, yeah. I'm spending too much time on it. I'm not sure if this is worth it, but I don't know. We'll see. So check for collisions and get rid of us if we got. Killica, good morning. So these basically all get. Yeah, all the trim gets the trim. Trim. And I also. If box collider equals null, return. Don't even do it. If transform.parent equals null, return. If transform.parent equals null, don't do it. If roof equals null, don't do it. Oh my god. Okay, I have buses to drive. Later, losers. I'll be dropping my precious free time into a simulator game where I drive a bus where all the cool kids are at. Bus simulator. Is that real? Are you really going to do that? So I need to call this now when the roof has spawned. Tiled roof. Gabled roof. I can't believe I need a list of all these. Public list game. No, I guess roof trim piece. Trim pieces. Out of the loop. The loop route from Gold Island to Oakwood West. Ridiculous. What is that face? Perma smug. Set piece. If object dot try get component out roof piece. Trim dot trim pieces dot add trim. And then on post construction, we'll cycle through all these. Protected void, of course, we need to override it. Protected void. Oh, it's virtual. For each trim piece in trim pieces. Piece dot Check for collisions. Hey. I'll try out some Rocket League, but for now, at 3 a.m., I'm going to try for this sleep thing I keep hearing about. Freshie, you go sleep. Have a good night. And Finn, I hope you're enjoying being a bus driver. I wish you all good night. Best wishes. Those are some good heart emojis. What's that last one? All right, you ready? Let's see if this works. Did that work? Nah, it didn't work. They're all right here. Oh, roof was null. That's why. So... Oh, maybe I pass in what roof we are. Check for collisions. Roof. Roof. All right. Whoops. I pass in this, right? Check for collisions. Roof. Roof. I don't store roof, maybe? Yeah, we store it, whatever. And then roof equals roof. If roof equals null, okay. All right, cool. If I'm gonna call it from the roof, then the roof could roof can do its job. Is this not a roof? A tiled roof? Oh, a tiled roof is not a roof. Oops. What is a roof? What's a roof? Okay. Wait a minute. Gabled roof, wood. Wood. Build gabled roof. This has a build item interactable on it. It has a savable object. Tiled gabled roof. Oh, roof isn't a thing. It's tiled roof. Okay. That's it. Tiled roof. Because regular roofs were legacy. I don't use those anymore. Okay. Also, I don't need to put this in the post-construction script. This can just be check trim for overlaps. Oh, it's not happy. This is not a happy Unity. Yeah, that didn't work. How about we print 1, 2. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't need this stuff either anymore. Because that was all about Just checking to see if roof is good. All right, I'll try one more time before I throw a billion prints in there. What is Kia Ora? Did you know that as numbers get really small, they also get really dumb? Fun fact for a while the ads are... It's a Kiwi greeting. What does it mean? Maori for hello. We're learning. I don't want to learn. Okay, this didn't do anything. Check for collisions. Passing this, right? We'll print 1. Print 2. Print found I don't know. Don't say Maori again. Maori. Meow Ori? Is that it? I found the inn, found biome area, found box collider. Oh, look at that. I found the other trim. Oh, because I'm an idiot. I'm looking for roof. I should be looking for other trim. Roof trim piece. If I find another roof trim piece, let's hide us and let's hide what we find. So we'll just destroy. How about disable? We'll disable. No, other roof dot set act game object. Oh my god, game object dot set active false. And then we'll turn us off. Other roof dot game object. Nope. Game object dot set active false. Caden Burleson. This is clean. What's clean? This code's garbage. Welcome in. Or are you saying your name is clean? Like, hi, this is clean. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, clean. I know very little Maori. I have enough trouble with English. STG, Andrew? What is STG? Stardew Valley? I don't want to have to ban you from using to Rio. Like I banned from using Chase. What? Te Rio? I bet your code is 90% more efficient than mine. Debatable. Maybe. Swear to God. You want me to swear to God or do you swear to God? Listen. I don't know what you want. I don't know what you need. You ready? Oh God. They're intersecting with each other. They're intersecting with each other. So what I need to do is I need to set all their roofs first. And then I have to run it. Okay. I need to set their roofs first. So tiled roof. When I set it, I want to say trim dot roof equals this equals this. So they won't delete each other when they find each other. I bet your code is wait, what? I bet your code is 90% more code than 10% that isn't? What? Welcome in. We need optimism here. Yeah, we do. Terio is the Maori language. Ah, I had a feeling. I'm really just trying to annoy Finn. They're still deleting each other. Why are they still deleting each other? Oh, wait. If other... Oh, I'm an idiot. And if other does not equal null, if other dot roof does not equal our roof. Okay, I was doing that wrong. Now it won't delete itself. You can annoy me in other ways that don't involve one of our national languages. I honestly have no idea how to pronounce that. I've never heard of it before. And you're just making fun of my accent, so I don't know who's being more rude. I stepped out in an excellent conversation. This conversation is over. Listen, it's hard enough for me to try and learn Japanese. All right, they're not deleting each other. Okay, look at that. They intersected. And then one of them deleted. So if I do this, why didn't it delete these? Oh, wait. Oh, because it technically didn't intersect with anyone. Like those bottom ones intersected with each other and deleted. And then this one, it's like it intersected. I don't know what happened there. Cat, how's it going? Roofing code, it's getting complicated. This is what I was trying to avoid, is how complicated this trim gets when there's multiple roofs with intersecting trim. So right now I'm just trying to like delete them. Once I get them deleting, then I have to have them come back when it doesn't intersect anymore. That's going to be a tough one too. That means each roof piece needs to listen to events. It needs to listen to roof events to see if the roof size has changed. End walls. End flooring, right? Nah, just walls. Isn't it that you disable one of the lines first so the second one isn't getting detected? But I do the other one first and then I do us. So I don't know. Also, Red Cabin, how are you? Also, shout out to Finn. He looks very miffed. Maybe a shout out will cheer him up. Maybe a Garfield will cheer him up. All right, so I have one here, right? I can... Whoa. It made this so slow. Maybe I only do it once the roof is placed. Like I don't do it while I'm live updating it. Yeah. Let's do that. So we don't do that. Do I have a function that's like finish roof? How about I make one? So I have to see if that's the thing that's slowing us down. I mean, something's wrong, Red Cabin. It could be that. I don't know. Kiora? Wait, let me scroll back. I missed a lot. The language stuff was getting... I didn't want to be rude, so I was kind of ignoring the language talk. Shame map points finger dust of shame itself. Kilika, I don't even remember what was sus. Was it me? That's a bit rough, dude. Hope you're not being serious. Oh, what did I say? I don't remember. Jesus. I'm kind of in a weird mindset right now. If I'm saying anything weird, it's probably bad jokes. They're not landing. What did I say? You think the log is making it slow? Oh, that's true. That's true. Okay, let me turn the logs off. Andrew's definitely heard me say it on one or more occasion. I honestly haven't. I don't remember. And if you have, it was probably like a noise that didn't make sense to me because I didn't know what it was. Funnily, as Maori is also phonetic, I think my knowledge of Maori helps my Japanese. Oh, interesting. Especially the pronunciation of their R's. I believe Maori is neat. In NZ, we basically treat their words like slang. Ah. Who's arse? Finfield. Andrew definitely doesn't pay enough attention to me. Nah, I don't. Because you deserve all the attention in the world, and I just don't have enough to give you. Twitch, I don't think I want to make Booyah Duolingo while he's busy. Honestly, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. This is making me sad, actually. This is making me sad. The logs shouldn't be that much either, because there's not that many trim. Have you ever tried to make a Twitch game? No, I haven't. Help, my gas is not stopping. Welcome in. Which language are you learning? Japanese. A Twitch game. I think Caden is referring to like a chat integrated game. It's where chat can. All right, we're not lagging anymore, right? We're not lagging. So if I turn this off, so obviously we're not gonna lag. I turn it back on without the logs. I might just leave the trim like overlapping with stuff. Like if you do it, it's too bad. Caden, thank you for the follow. All right. Actually, yeah. So without the logs, it still is kind of fast until we get to like here, but that's always kind of slow. All right. So now we have a roof, right? And if I do this, a brrr. Oh, interesting. Oh, because it only does it on update, right? Oof. How is that possible? So I can just eat it away. I think what I'm going to do is just leave it. I'm just going to leave it. Like the trim is going to overlap and that's that. Too bad. Too bad. Also, my alerts seem to be kind of broken right now. So if you do redeem that, make sure to spam it. Also, I think we got a couple of follows, right? We got one. We got one. So we have to increase the elevation. Elevation text. 1491. We are so close to the goal. I set that goal like 2 months ago because I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to set the goal for like a big number. That was a while ago. Finally, someone that's not making a Windows-only game. Yeah, it's going to be for Mac. Checking messages keeps pulling me back, but I should be good at and get something done today. Catch y'all later. Good luck not derailing. Matt, you good luck as well. Let future Booyah figure it out? Exactly. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to move on. That goes to all you scoundrels. Finn. Wait, if only someone with power could stop me. 2 messages were deleted by moderator? What just happened? Is everything okay? Help, my gas is not stopping. Let's not. I didn't even see what they did. I didn't even see what you did. Please keep it tame in there. Finn, thank you for hurts me. What? You're being ridiculous. You're being ridiculous. We're gonna ignore that. What I've learned is the more interest you have in technical fields, the more you look at something like a puddle of water or something that and think it's not that easy. Let me unwrap that for a sec. What I've learned is the more interest you have in technical fields, the more you look at something like a puddle of water or something and think it's not that easy. You mean like, oh, you mean like look like how to recreate it in games? Or I'm not sure what you're talking about. All right, I'm gonna move on from roofs. I think roofs are done for now. I do need to make the other roof trim. So now this has trim, right? But this does not. Does this need trim, or should I just make... Should I just make like one more? Right? I should just... Yeah. Which one is it? Why do I have 2? Oh, this is the half gabled. So this is the full gabled. So I want to do... And this is the alt. That's right. So how should I make this? Whoa. Come back. So this is going to be down trim. Ooh, but before I do that, I want to increase the thickness of this, kind of like I did with these. I made it chunkier and like cuter, so I want to do the same. Oh, I freaking love this music so much. Oh my god. Recreating games or understanding the physics of it, like pipe flow through a constant diameter, is easy, but if you ask me to find the velocity or pressure of water coming out of a crushed water bottle without special equipment and only with equation, I don't think I would be able to. It's just funny because the task is so simple and easy to execute. The task being crushing a water bottle. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Daily drive-by, computer, how are ya? So making them chunkier doesn't really do anything. But if I select them all, deselect, 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 and scale them up in Y, that looks fluffier. They look fluffier, right? I want them to look fluffy. All right, so this is a good thickness, right? I think so. Shingles, yeah. The roof, not the disease, exactly. You're not going with the grass thatched roofs as an option? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, that didn't work. Whoops. I can't just arbitrarily scale that. Oh god, what was I thinking? Go back, 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 back. There we go. I guess I need to... select these. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. That's nice. Fun fact, I did those for another game. That wasn't fun. I saw you do that. I think also this should be dark. Or light? Ah, crap. All right. We're moving on, moving on. Let's make the trim. All right, so part of the problem that I know I'm going to run into is that to make this trim one shingle, that's too much. Like this trim is this wide, right? Oh, actually it is one shingle wide. It's exactly one shingle wide. All right, we're good. We're good. I'll stop complaining. Oh, that's not good. I guess I only want to do these. There we go. All right, so that's the easiest trim I've ever made. I guess I'll just make it some random color. All right. The legendary Minecraft dirt hut. Is that what that's from? Is that a thing? Mr. Zombie, I hope you're talking about cookies. Giant chunky cookies. I feel like it fits very well into the cottage kind of style. Yeah. The thatched, you mean? The grass thatched roof? It's possible. Send me a reference. Maybe I'll make it right now. Maybe I'll make a new roof style right now. This isn't Kilika. This is Game Chop. Actually, I don't know what this is now. Yeah, I don't know. This is Game Chops, I think. I mean the thatched roofs from the Shirakawa Go. I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's too old school. All right, and then I need a corner piece, which is 50 and then 50. Oh, these are so much easier to make. Whoa. Oh no, is this down? No, I made them backwards. It's actually not a big deal. Okay, it's fine. Not a big deal. No reason to panic. There's no reason to panic. Down, trim, side. Down, trim. Trim, corner. And then 1, 2, 3. Duplicate. Scale. Move. Freeze. Move these up and out. This is now up. Trim, corner. And then finally, this guy. All right, that should be it. That was quick. That was way quicker. So now I can export this. And this is called the stone. Ooh, stone set. I must have exported them all together. And I need to double check. Oh, look at that. All right, cool. I have a selection set. So now I feel safe. Stone set FBX. And now stone gabled roof. I need to make these. Let's also create a new folder called stone gabled roof. Stone gabled roof. And I need down trim side, down trim corner. Ooh, sorry, I keep ignoring everyone. I can't relax with them here. What did he do this time? Help my guy. I mean, that username, it says it all, right? My wife is cracking up out there. Time to walk the dog. I'll lurk and listen. Mr. Zombie, enjoy your walk. Great, now I want cookies. I want cookies too. Oh my God, I've been so hungry. I keep talking about how hungry I am. I went to a vegan restaurant for lunch today because I was trying to be like a little better. Oh, I'm just ravenous. Like I'm gonna eat like 2 burgers for dinner because I had a not filling lunch. It doesn't work. Eating healthy only works if you can just be okay with being hungry. I'm not okay. You probably looked at more roofs than any of us. Do you have a favorite roof design? Whoa. I just get very dizzy with hunger, I think. Someone's at the door. Excuse me. All right, back. Package. And back to day jobbing. Computer, no. Is today a big boy stream or another short one? Maybe I can stop by again later. It's going to be a little short. Come on, break out those thick grooms. What's a groom? Is that roof terminology? Oh shit, yeah, you don't know this, but I just finally figured out the maths to my cable generator. Oh yeah, empty inside. Full-on procedural assets. Nice. Started talking about being on a boat, taking a look at my boat. I've been on Twitch for a while. You get a feeling. Maybe they were just singing, you know, that Lonely Island T-Pain song. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. It's like my favorite. Hair groom for the straw thatching. Ah. Computer, enjoy your day of work. I'm gonna make it through this. So stone, roof, tile, trim, down. Ah, crap. No, go back. Stone, trim, down. Stone, trim, down. Stone, trim, down, corner. Stone, trim, down, side. Did I have to add anything else to these? Let me see. Roof pieces, wood, trim. I added a collider, which I'm not using anymore. This trim piece that I'm not using anymore. And I just made sure it had the right material. All right, we're good. Is that Deku Palace playing in the background? It is. Yeah, it is. You nailed it. I'll duplicate all these. Up. Up. Stone trim up. Stone up trim. Stone up trim corner. Stone up trim corner. Stone up trim side. Is that it? No, that's not it. So now I need to go to the stone gabled roof. Build gabled stone roof. I need to hook them all up. So up trim. Up trim corner. This is faster. Up trim side. Down trim. Down trim side. Down trim corner. And cap trim, I forgot about cap trim. Or cap trim. Stone cap trim. Stone gabled. Bageled. Oh, I got bagels in the mind. Gabled roof. And then cap trim. Okay. Stone roofs. Do you think these work? Let's see. Stone gabled roof. Build gabled stone roof. Yep. 100 of them. Let's go. I'm on a boat. You got me. You got me good. Oh, I don't have an icon for these. I mean, it works. No, it doesn't work. There's no trim? Yeah, there's no front trim, but there is side trim. Right? Yeah. There's... Oh, I must have put this... I must have put the sides on the wrong side. It actually goes over here. Can I just say -1? No. Can I say -1? Yeah. And then, no Pokemon lullabies. You know the rules. No, this is Pelican Town. I always get that confused. Ooh, I think I bunked this one up. Yeah, bunked it up. And this needs to go on the other side as well. Okay, we're back. Export selected. Ooh. Export to Unity. Stone set. That's really weird. Was it rotated or something? Oh, yeah, no. It's identical. It's the same. There we go. Looks good. If I build the inn. Build in. Deleted it. Looks like that. So one of the issues that I have is these walls that get built near the roof. And if you put this on this, it obviously doesn't match. I don't know what to do in this situation. I've been happily ignoring it. Not happily. I've just been ignoring it. That's why this one's designed for wood. It has matching walls, and then the stone will have Z fighting. So it's not great to leave them overlapping like that. I mean, how often are you going to do this? I don't know. What is that stone? It's so big. It's just a giant stone. Why is it so big? It does look nice, though, with the overhang. It looks so much better. Oh, we're missing something. We're missing the cap. We're missing the cap on this side. Is that a complete oversight? Yeah, there's no cap. No cap. Isn't that what the kids say nowadays? No cap. Cap trim. Make caps. So if wall side equals 0, and if wall side equals tile, it's not this anymore. Wall side equals tile depth amount -1. For real, for real? I don't know what ONG is. Oh no, oh my god. They do be saying that. Speaking of Kilika, though, let's do some Kilika. Oh, wow. Hellhound. I saw that you did shout out a friend an hour ago. We're going to shout out Red Cabin Games for that one. I don't understand why my alerts are just off now. Like, they used to show up here at least. But they make no noise. But yeah, shout out to Red Cabin, a very good friend. Very good friend of the stream. Great Unity dev. Working on that. Space Scavenger 2. All right. We got caps? No, we still don't got caps. How about this one? Same issue, no caps there. Oh, I wonder if it's there and I didn't flip it properly. Yeah. I just didn't flip it. New vector 3. 1, 1, -1. All right, we're good now. We got caps. No, they were there here, and then once I made it a little bigger, all caps went away. Wait a minute. What? No. What? Caps went away. Why'd they go away? That's crazy. That doesn't make any sense. Are they there and just positioned incorrectly? Like, are they in here somewhere? No? Oh, they are. Look at that. 1. Okay. And then... Oh. I just did them backwards. This one gets that. This one gets that. I donked up. I done donked up. 30 stream streak, Kilika. Oh my god. I feel like you have like every stream is 5 more for you. Like yesterday, it was a 25 stream streak. Today it's a 30 stream streak. What is happening? But yeah, seriously, thank you for hanging out this whole time and providing us with this wonderful music. There we go. These two roofs next to each other look so weird. I just spent so much time making this making these this trim, and I feel like I'm going to not do it. I feel like I'm gonna get rid of them because there's too many overlapping issues. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it matters? All right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for now. Let's move on. Let's do guest groups. I was working on guest groups last time before I started doing all the roof stuff. So let's get back to that. And I found some old notes about what I needed to make. And it's a very uncompleted checklist. What is this? Oh, right. This is when I was trying to figure out the guest group or Jules' system. Jules' vacation system. This is like roofs. Oh, this was a chat ID, chat index, chat template. There we go. This is verb flowchart. And this can be deleted. Delete. When I played the demo, I didn't realize there were roofs, so all my guests slept out under the stars. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, here we go. Guest group event scriptable object. So it does look like I started making this, which I definitely did. I made this system, yeah. A phone item that rings. I don't have that because I don't know if I want to do that. Conversations that inform you of a future visit from an amount of guests and the required decorations. A GUI listing events that have called and presented themselves to you. Custom guest quests? I don't know what that means. Custom way to spawn required guests, done. And refactored twice. Put information on the calendar, done and refactored twice. Check in for required decorations. I don't do that. Make sure it's in at least one of the guests' private rooms or in a public space. I don't do that. D&D table decoration. I made that. A custom review. I don't feel like doing that. Affect guests' individual tally. I don't remember. Oh, like if... Oh, okay. I think I do remember. Like if they have a good time, I give them all a star or something. Animation requirements. Seated dice roll. Yeah. Unlock specific events. How to receive PR consultant NPC. Okay. I have a question for all of you. Need some help with the ideas. So a guest group is a group of guests that visits the inn, and they are a unit, and they usually have a requirement. Like, for instance, if let's say I build a role-playing table, right? This is a table for people to play D&D. Legally distinct D&D. And now there's a group of guests that wants to come and hang out. How do I initialize that? How do I get the player to read the information about what the guest group is and what the required decorations are? And how do I have the player accept that they can come? One of my ideas is that they send a letter and you can accept or decline the letter. That's easy. One of the ideas is there's a PR consultant NPC that is like the gateway to starting events. So instead of guests like mailing you and saying they want to do an event, the PR consultant has a list of events you can throw, and then random guests sign up for those events. Kind of like, oh, we're gonna have a D&D party, and then guests will fill those slots, and you can throw that event. So it's almost like it's completely player initiated, and events get unlocked. Ooh, actually, I like that idea that you can unlock events based on the decorations you have, and they're not just totally random. And it could straight up be both. It could be you throw events and guests mailing you to throw events. I'm leaning towards both. And maybe there's a cooldown on events, like you can only throw one a year. Or one a month, maybe? Yeah, maybe it's once a month you can throw an event. Maybe I'll start implementing that. Yeah, maybe I'll start implementing that. Yeah. Both sounds good. Yeah, I think both. Like, because I want there to be a wedding, right? A big wedding toward the end of the game. You can't just like, hey, I want to throw a wedding and then people sign up randomly. It doesn't make sense. You know, wedding comes with canned people. Because the people getting married have chosen to do that. Oh, excuse me. All right. I am going to work on that a little bit. Let's just do a full life cycle of a guest group just to see how it goes. So when I read this letter, right? Role-playing fan club, huzzah, whatever. We'll need 4 rooms and a role-playing table. Okay, great. It was offered to me. I don't have a way of accepting it yet, so I just have this debug button. I'll build an inn. Also, I just realized destroying all this clutter used to spawn loot, and now it doesn't spawn any loot, and I don't understand why. But that's okay, whatever. So I'm going to accept the role players guest group. Calendar is updated. When I go to the calendar, it shows, it shows everyone wanting to show up, but it also spams a billion errors. Let's start there. That's, yeah. It's trying to get their bedroom, but they're not spawned yet, so. If they're not spawned yet. If Innkeeper, no, NPC manage NPC system dot instance dot spawned NPCs dot contains key. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. NPC system dot instance dot get NPC. And then I got to give it the NPC name, which is event display dot associated NPC. Yeah, we only do that if we can associate it. I wish I could make that load faster. I know there's ways, but it sounds like a total pain. All right. We accept it. Yeah, that's good. And then role players. Look at that. Okay, role players. Hollis, Mary, Meadow. They haven't shown up yet, so. All right. So that works. So where was I? Okay. So they're going to show up. We'll fast forward. We'll build the inn again. Boom. Needs to be open. Fast forward to tomorrow. One of the confusing things is other guests will show up, and it's hard to tell which one's which. I need to figure that out as well. Like maybe they should have an icon over their head, but it seems kind of lame. Hollis will be arriving in tomorrow. Wait. Hollis will be Meadow will be arriving in tomorrow. End of day. Oh no, summary? Guest summary panel. Just tomorrow. Yo, Whitechapel. How's it going? Calendar. I was about to say, did you mean to say coriander? I don't have coriander in the game yet. Yeah, that animation's fun. It's all procedural too. I don't actually, there's no keyframes on that. Programmer, I got a little defeated before with these roofs. I got a little defeated. So now they have trim, right? It overhangs, but I was trying to figure out a way to deal with these intersections. Kind of failed. So I'm just kind of living with the overlap. Did they spawn yet? 7:20 a.m. They did. Here they all come. So who is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be Clay, Meadow, Mary, Hollis. Here's Hollis. I'm here to role play with my friends. Do you have a room? Yep, you can have that one. My name's Mary. Nice to meet you. All right, you go here. What do they do? Go here. Ooh, okay. So now they... So now one of these characters is spawned but doesn't have a bedroom yet. So we deal with that. I'll deal with that after. But who is the final one? It's Meadow. Wait, Clay, Meadow, Mary, Hollis. We checked in Meadow, Mary, and Hollis. Where's Clay? There's Clay. What are you doing, Clay? Try and check in. So I'm not going to check in them. They were false. You know what? I'm not going to check in Clay either. What happens if I just let Clay go? I'm letting you go, Clay. I think he despawns and the group count accommodates for that. Yeah. Yeah. It accommodated. So he despawns and the group realizes one of them's never showing up. And then they all come and play role play. They play role. They role play. Chapel, he makes me work. I didn't even see what was going on. I didn't even see what was going on. You don't have to. You can just let me deal with that. All right. So time passes. I believe they will stop soon, right? Will they ever stop? Oh my God. They're just going to play Dungeons and Dragons the whole night? No, they go to bed at 10. Ooh, null ref. Okay. Null ref. What happened? Guest completed activity. So we cycle through all of, oh, okay. Pair.value activity types completed contains. We need to check to see if pair.value does not equal null. Because if it does equal null, it means they already despawned. Continue. Okay. And the game's broken, so. Average D&D session. It's morning now. On your day of relaxing, damn, I didn't ask for him to do it. Imagine that. I just let him go at it and boom, Booyah's reported. And being sad and Finn's to blame. Finn is to blame. Is that an emote? I love the Garfield. All right, so what was the other thing that was messed up? Oh, right. In the summary page. No. In the day description panel. If they're spawned and they don't have a room, that's right. So key value pair. If If. What am I ifing? What am I ifing? Guest bedrooms. What if, yeah, what if pair.value equals null? Continue. There's no guest in that guest bedroom. I think that's what's going on. Pumpkinhead play, good morning. So they're still all going to show up today. No errors, no errors. They're going to spawn. Okay, they spawned. Still no errors. Okay, cool. Are you this calm in life as well? Kinda. Coroutine couldn't be started. That's fine. Ooh, maybe I should have a pop-up that's like 3 out of 4 checked in. All role players checked in. They're all in a room now. Hollis, role players. Hollis in room, guest room. Role players. Mary in room, guest room. Role players. Meadow in room, guest room. Is there a way? Let's see. Is there a way to make that easier to read? Like, I only wanted to say role players once, and then I want, like, there'd just be a space there or something. Where do I set that data? It's in the calendar event, right? Calendar system. Add in name to the game. Pumpy B&B. Pumpy. That word, pumpy, is a little suggestive, maybe? How about pumpkin B&B? I'll do pumpkin B&B. I don't know if I can do an ampersand. I think I can. Yeah, we'll do pumpkin. Didn't think the other way. You always got to have a dirty mind to be one step ahead of the people with dirty minds. Calendar event dot trigger. Oh God, I trigger it so often. Guest group system. Here we go. NPC name. Okay. That's weird. How do I know That they're part of the role players. How do I know that? I forget. Guest group? Oh, I straight up check. I check to see if it's in a guest group. Wait, for how do you know the games people play when you're not on the game board? I think I know what you're getting at, Cud. Or Cad, sorry. I don't think I need all of these prints anymore. I think it just works. I'm bed. Yag. Have a good night. Be a good bed. Be a good bed. All right. I need to figure out how to give you this quest. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that you can accept the quest from the letter. That should be the first thing I do. So a letter needs an accept button. And it needs to be very obvious that this is an accept button. Letter display. That ain't it. That ain't it. All right, let's do some UI work. Always doing UI work. Mailbox. Mailbox letter panel. So I have a gift button, and I just need like like a check and an X. Big red letters. I don't want to do words. I just want a cute little icon of an X and a check. Button group. I have that's funny. I have a decline button. I already have this here. That's not a cute X though. We want a cuter X. Icon. App maybe? What is it currently? It's common. Yeah, this X is not good. How about icon dash? No. X? Cross? Ooh, there we go. I like this one. I'm put on red, it looks stupid. That's funny. I guess I'll use the white one. Also, why is it rotated funny? It shows it here facing the other way. X Malachi man. Wait, you're not working on an anime girl model? No? Is everyone else doing that? I did buy a book today. Um, on how to draw anime because it just had very good proportions and faces. So I was trying to like get ideas for my redesign of the characters that I'm gonna do eventually. That's Mezu. Oh yeah, Enrico, you're looking for Q Mezu. Why does Twitch like to bring me to random streams when I watch another one? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I think I literally plucked you out of there and brought you here on purpose. All right, I have a decline button, and I guess I need an accept button. Oops. Well, yeah, it's definitely backwards. Why is it backwards? There's no scale. What is going on here? Does the group have a scale? Am I behind it? What's going on? Zero rotation, zero, zero, one, one, one. This is crazy. Hydrate, thank you. I'm sorry for your loss. I legit was on her stream when I opened the emotes up. I'm confused. I don't know. Sounds like you want to be here. Is this... All right, something has negative scale on it. I don't understand. Button group. No. Oh, wait. This does have negative scale on it. What? How come I just didn't realize that? That was weird. Also, should I allow you to close the letter and accept it later? Maybe it has an expiration date. Maybe it has an expiration date. So now this letter panel needs references to all the fun new buttons. How does this button know to hide itself? Letter panel. Oh, here, mail gift buttons. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's stupid. Are these smart buttons? They are. Okay. Decline button. Public smart button. Accept button. I think I made it so you can decline the gifts, but why would you ever do that? It's just that Booyah is the black hole of Twitch. It's possible. It's possible I am. Which one should go on the left? The accept button, right? Decline. Accept. So now a letter needs to know if it's a guest group invitation. Letter. Oh, public guest group. Haha, I already know. I already know. I already know. Letter panel. So set panel. Mail buttons. Set them all to false. Mail gift buttons. I say for each gift. Okay. That's if there's gifts. So if guest group does not equal null, then I can just say accept button dot set active game object dot set active equals if letter dot guest group equals null. Well, it does not equal null. Same with the decline button. That was easy. And then the navigation on that's actually kind of a pain. Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah, the navigation is so annoying. It used to be easy. It can never be all of these, so... Actually, it's not so bad. It's just this button won't know what to go back to unless I do something dynamic. How about if... Oh, this is gonna be really... It's not procedural at all. I'm just gonna jam it in there. So close button dot left nav find, or what is it called? Navigation dot left select on left equals decline button dot game object dot selectable, just decline button. It's gonna say I can't, right? Yeah, I can't. So I have to say navigation nav equals close button dot navigation nav dot select on left equals decline button, and then navigation equals nav. Else, same thing, but I want it to select the take button. Okay. Oh wait, I can even do this better. This can be Cog, how are you? Does that work? Okay, I love me an inline An inline conditional. I'm doing well. You came just at the end. Actually, got about 20 minutes left of me, maybe 15, maybe less, maybe one. If I can, if a raid target comes along, then I'll just take it. A lot of people are playing video games today, I feel like. All right, let's just see if this just works navigationally. Imagine playing games. No. I play Rocket League when you force me to, and that's it. I should try my PC a little more. I should use it, right? I do that quite often. Our time zones are ships passing in the night. Yeah, they are. All right. I have no mail. Why? Well, if I go to Eugene, right, it'll have nothing. If I go to Dad, it has nothing. If I go to Role-Playing Fan Club, these do show up, and I can almost select them all. I just didn't set these navigations. All right, that was close. So on the right, on the left, it's take button, but no, none. The right is a decline button. And decline on the left is accept. On the right is close, and then close. On the left is take. Otherwise, it changes to decline. Let's test all these theories. So Eugene's got nothing. You got nothing for me, Eugene. Dad has take. Navigation works. Cool. Role-Playing Fan Club starts on close, and then you can go over. And then it goes away. Okay. I only want this to be marked as red if we've accepted the guest group or declined it. I need to have accepted or declined it for it to be red. That is a new thing. Right now, mark as red is calculated in certain ways. Let me clean up all this crap. That just scared me. My wife dropped something. That was frightening. Mail system. We got to go to the mail system. Mail system. Red. Indicate if red. Where do I set this? I set it here. Read mail. Okay. But how do I know what unread mail is? Maybe it's all in the UI. Maybe that's the thing. I think that's the thing. Resistance is futile. Do you mean using my PC? Resistance? Fins, did you see the updated game animation sample? It has new mantling. What is mantling? Is that like jumping from mantle to mantle? Mail. Scroll view manager. So red equals false. And I say if has a gift. You know what I should do? This should be get is red. I should make a function here. Why am I not making a function here? I do. Is unread. I just have a check that's if it's read or not. If there is any unread mail in your mailbox, this will come back true. Is there any unread mail, true or false? What? Where do I use this? On unreadmail.invoke. Oh, okay. I see. I see. So I need 3 states to a letter. It's like seen and then, or it's like red and then garbage. So I kind of need another one, which is public bool. I'll just keep doing it in the UI. God. It's constantly trying to reinvent the wheel. So if it has a gift, else. If Sandy Lee, welcome in. You like sim games? Nice. I am making one. I haven't done this yet. If anyone does not know what I'm doing here, this is what we're working on. Alpine Lake. So what does this mean? If a guest group has been offered but not accepted, right? Guest group system dot instance dot offer. No. Sheets. Oh, right. If letter dot guest group does not equal null, then guest group system dot instance dot sheets letter dot guest group dot offered and or I should just say accepted. It's accepted. Then red equals true. Okay, so now the letter won't go away if we close it. Let's check that out. And I think I guess I like that I like that the cursor defaults to close, so you can't spam and accidentally accept it or decline it. That's good, I think. Cold. All right, so if I close this, okay, cool. It doesn't move to the unread section of the mailbox. It just grays out. Should it even gray out? Should it gray out? Because I feel like you might ignore it. So if I want to put an expiration date on the offer, this should have a countdown on it. It should definitely show you like it instead of showing you like a letter icon, it should show you a some kind of like time, a stopwatch. I think Stardew Valley does that. Stardew Valley time sensitive event quest. Stopwatch, right? Yeah. Yeah, it shows you a clock and then shows you how many days. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to add a clock. I'm going to give you 3 days to accept it. You get 3 days to prepare your in for an incoming guest group. And if you can't do that in 3 days, then it just expires. All right. So I need a way to indicate that in the letter. I can do it up here. I can just say expires in 3 days. Or I can put it in the text. No, but it's going to dynamically change. It's going to tell you how many days there are left. Expires in 3 days. Expires in 2 days. Expires in one day. Expired. All right. Got a game plan. If I add another text item up here, it's going to do something stupid, isn't it? Yeah, I knew it was going to do that. This is all one giant horizontal or vertical group. I think what I can do is do something like this. Remove component. And then this gets a horizontal fit. Preferred size? No. Vertical min size? Nope. Preferred. And then this needs a horizontal layout group. This needs to come out. Then this needs to say, that can stay spring. Letter panel now. This is going to be expiration text. This is now the date text. This is the header group. And it's time to rate out. Can I say top negative? Yeah, I can. Okay, so -5. -5. It's just too much space. And then control size. Oh, right. Unconstrained. Why does this not go all the way across? It's because these are... Oh, right. It's because this one's huge and it needs to be like this. Okay, cool. Menacing methods. How's it going? What about a stopwatch with the amount of days changing as the days change? Exactly. Exactly, Cog. You must have said that a long time ago. All right. Where should we raid? I just don't know. How much longer is this person going to stream for? They've been going for a while. We've done this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person. Everyone online right now I've done in the last 2 weeks. So where should we go? Chapel, Virtue, thanks for hanging. You know who I've never gone to before? I've never gone to this person. They're making a not safe for work game. And their stream is safe for work, but I don't know. I don't know. We can go visit a teammate. Let's go visit a teammate. All right. Credits, everybody. Thanks for hanging. We're going to go visit an indie dev teammate. I've rated them once. I've never hung out on their stream because they stream at the same time as me. And then I don't really watch streams after. So I don't really know what they're working on, but it looks like they're doing some Godot, making a 2D Souls-like. Sounds cool. Raid Danger EP. That's what happens when you stream every day of the week. Yeah, you just kind of raid everybody. Killica, have a good one. Also, new followers, Caden and Hello Hellhound. Thanks for the follows. Aaron, you're probably in bed right now, but thanks so much for the raid. Finn and Computer, thank you for modding. Finn, thanks for taking care of the gassy guy. That's really annoying. I appreciate you. I'll be back tomorrow where we'll continue working on guest groups. Let's go say hi to Dan. Have a good one, everyone. Awesome bedtime. Malachi, have a good night. All right, later, y'all.